10 things you should never do on your system or around your system. Are you ready? Then let's go. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rabbi Innovations channel, your #1 stop-by channel for everything tech. To our whole time subscribers, we want to say that you're amazing. Keep engaging, keep liking, and keep sharing. And if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more tech related videos like this. Let's go. Do you think your laptop is fine because every time you turn it on, it comes on? Guess what? You might be gradually destroying your laptop and you don't even know. And that's why I'm making this video. In this video, I'll be showing you 10 things you shouldn't do on your laptop or around your laptop. And if you have been doing any of this, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's save your laptop now. So the first thing you should never do to your laptop is don't block the laptop vents. What do I mean by vents? So your laptop vents are those parts of your laptop that allows the heat generated while the laptop is running to escape. Now this is the problem. Many people prefer to use their laptop on the bed or placing it on a pillow or on a blanket, thereby preventing airflow. This can cause 3 damages to your laptop. Number 1 is overheating. Number 2 is that it will begin to slow down your laptop. Then number 3, which is the ultimate one, is that at the long run, your laptop will get damaged. Number 2 is do not ignore updates. Now I know updates can be annoying at times, but skipping updates can also be worse.
Updates help to patch bugs, speed up your system, and fix security holes. Now it's very simple. Go to your settings, then Windows Updates, and hit the check for updates button, and there you go.
Number 3, which is the one most of us are guilty of, is do not leave your laptop plugged all day. How can I explain this to my fellow Nigerians? Okay, so I can understand the fact that the limited power supply can cause this, but I need to tell you that what you are doing if you leave your laptop plugged all day is that you are gradually destroying your battery.
Instead of leaving your laptop plugged all day, let it discharge to about 40 to 60% and then plug in again. In fact, some laptops even let you limit maximum charge to extend the battery health.
Number 4, don't install random free softwares. I know you like free things, but in the real sense of it, nothing is really free.
Some free softwares always come with malwares or toolbars that slow down your system. Now, always download from the official websites or trusted sources, and don't just click on next while installing. Please read through and be sure before clicking on next.
Number 5, don't eat or drink around your laptop. Doing that is putting your circuit and your keyboard at risk.
I know telling you to keep away food and drink from your laptop sounds very basic, but guess what? One wrong move and your laptop is gone. So once liquid pours on your laptop, it can damage your circuit, and once food crumbs fall upon your laptop, it can damage your keyboard. Keep food and drink far away or get ready to say goodbye to your laptop.
Number 6, do not use weak passwords.
Are you still using 123456 as your password? Hackers love that so much. Instead, use strong and unique password for every account. A strong password consists of numbers, letters, both uppercase and lowercase, and symbols. Or better yet, you can use a password manager like Bitwarden or LastPass.
Number 7, do not let your storage eat 100%.
Like I told you in my last video, when your storage fills up, your laptop slows down a lot. So keep at least 10 to 15% free space on your hard disk. Delete junk files, uninstall unused apps, or even move files to external drives or cloud storage.
Number 8, do not ignore strange noises from your computer.
Loud fan, clicking sounds, don't ignore them. That could be your hard drive failing or your fan struggling. back up your files immediately and get it checked before it's too late.
Number 9, don't skip backups.
You never think or know that you need a backup until it is too late. Use OneDrive, Google Drive, or an external hard drive to back up your files regularly. Think of backup as your tech insurance.
Number 10, don't overload startup programs.
Too many apps launching at startup equals to slow boot time. Very, very slow boot time. So hit Ctrl-Shift-Escape and go to the startup tab and disable the apps you don't need immediately.
So how many of these are you guilty of? Be honest. At least I know everybody must have made one or two of these mistakes. So let me know in the comment section which of these you are guilty of, and let's fix it together. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more tech related videos like this. See you in my next video. Stay tech smart. Thank you.